Hi guys, you're watching Relina there and very welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited because this is a new day and I'm going to share some new ideas and feelings about some new products again. Hope you all are doing great with all your great plans ahead for this Christmas and New Year that is almost knocking around the corner. And just let me know in my comments, and also you can DM me what plans you have got for this Christmas, which is right about to come. So guys, before I introduce the new brand to you, I would like to request to please let me know again down below in my comments that on which product next you would like me to share a review about. And please those who are new to my channel, who haven't watched the previous videos, I would suggest them to please go and check all the videos before. I'll be giving all the links down below in my description box. Please do go and check them, please. And those who have subscribed to my channel, I'd like to thank them once again. And those who haven't, then please subscribe to my channel. Go and hit the subscribe button. Thank you. And also press the like button so that we can start with the new review session for today. I would like to start first with this with the name of the brand. It's called Nature's Bliss, and I've come across recently on Instagram about this brand. And today's the day when I received the parcel. I actually bought one body butter along with a whipped soap from them. So this is how the parcel reached me, like 200 grams product packed in this cuboidal box, and it's totally wrapped with cello tape, which I do not encourage. Like, I don't appreciate this because it's a real struggle, like trying to tear this off and cut through. Like, it took me a long time to rip this wrapper off because the adhesive was too strong. I'm still struggling. Not a problem though, but the impression really goes down when I find that they have sent me in a green tea packet. Like, why was it packed inside a green tea box? So that was really shocking. But here are the products, and at least the individual products are well packed, and I appreciate the way of packaging. They have not used much of bubble wrapper. This card was really a sweet gesture on their side, and I really loved the way they have greeted me with a card with cute stickers at the corners on the either side. So now that you have seen how I unpacked the products, so both the unpacked products are in my hands now. This is the Shea Coco Vanilla Body Butter, and this is the Marshmallow Whipped Soap. Today I've already taken my shower, so this I'll be using tomorrow. These are 100-gram products, so I'll be breaking the suspense of the Marshmallow Whipped Soap tomorrow. Stay tuned. Now I'm only going to talk about this body butter, and I'll also be applying it to show you how it softens my skin. The application of the body butter, and I really feel that I'm applying butter mixed with vanilla on my hand. These are purely handmade products. You saw how immediately plumpy and glowing my skin turned. When you use a handmade product, you actually notice a difference, guys. Is applied on your skin, it has a different effect on you, like a natural effect. It's not over the top, not too much, but it does make you feel different. As soon as I applied it on my skin, a soft, smooth, healthy glow appeared. That is why I'm already loving it. Also, the essence of it is so vanilla and shea butter, like the mixture of the two. I can totally feel the ingredients in it. Fragrance of the product is superb. I liked it. It's really refreshing. Again, after a shower, if you apply this body butter, it will really nourish your skin. Before coming to the end of my video, I'll suggest that go for Nature's Bliss body butter, irrespective of the type of container they use, or everything is very plain. Like they are not showcasing too much. They are not concentrating on the external part of the product. They are actually making the main product worth it, regardless of in what kind of container you get it. Like, it's not too attractive, I can understand. If you really want to give your body a natural care and a healthy glow, then I'll always, and if you really want to feel refreshed, and if you have nothing to do with containers, all that matters is what inside it, go for this body butter. You'll feel good. Like, it will make you feel good. This is where I would like to end my video. Before that, I'm also going to tag this brand in my description box. I'm going to put their Instagram handle in my description box, so please go and check their profile if you like it. Like, you get all the proofs that these products are absolutely handmade. Like, they have uploaded different videos, and they'll suggest you, they'll help you out with all the products that you need. And apart from the packaging, I am not disappointed with what's inside the container. Give it a try, why not? Hope you liked the video. If you have really enjoyed watching it, hit the like button and let me know in the comments down below. Show me some love. Thank you. Bye bye.